We're all Mickey today. Yeah, that's Mickey. But no, we have a Mickey doll. Yeah, that's a Mickey. That's your backpack. That's your Mickey backpack. But look at this one. This is vintage. This is a vintage Mickey. You want to open it? You want to open this one? Okay, let's open this one. We got ourselves a rare vintage. You got turn around, face your friends. Turn around, face your friends. Good girl. All right, you want to open? You open it. Yeah, you open it. Come on, open it. Go ahead. Yeah, you open like this. This is how you open it. You open from the top. See? See? That way it's easy to pull out. See? See how easy that was? Yeah, she's beautiful. Now show your friends. Show your friends. Show your friends your Mickey. Yeah, the Mickey balloon. But show your friends first. Show your friends. Show your friends first. You want the Mickey balloon. That's all you care about. Okay. Let me do the wire. All right, here you go.
Be gentle.
Be gentle. Okay, I'll be gentle. Here's your balloon. Can I do the other part? Oh, this is vintage. You want the Barbie? Okay. All right. You want the balloon? Okay. All right. I'll check this out. Barbie balloon? Oh wow. This is old. Old vintage doll. Look at these. How do we get this out? Oh look. Look at that. Pretty. Let's got wiring. Let's take the wire out. Let's got wire out. Ooh. We are Team Mickey today, aren't we? Team Mickey. Okay, I take this one out. You're gonna love this doll. She's pretty. Oh, you kiss a balloon. Look at that. Oh, I knew you're gonna love that. How cute. Oh, this old bag. She's got old Mickey Mouse bag. Look at that. Look at that. Look, she's got a hat. Mickey Mouse hat. You want to show your friends? Show your friends your doll? Like that.
Oh,
how cute. Look at that. Oh, look at that. We're all Team Mickey. Oh, Mickey Mouse. And look, I have more surprise for you. I have more surprises for you. Look, it's more vintage. How cute is that? I think we'll save this for when we go to Disney World. What do you think? It's got a cute little whole set there. Oh my God. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Maybe this will inspire us to go to Disney World.
I've been
to Disney World. I actually went by myself years ago. Crazy. And this is real vintage. Wow. This is one of the first sets. So I'm so tempted. Should we open this now? Should we? Should we not? Should we? Should we not? I can't decide. No, should we open it? I can't decide. Oh, this is real vintage. But this one has baby in it. Look, this one has baby. This one has baby in it. Yeah? It's Team Mickey? I think we should open this one. Yeah, this one has... We should open this one, right? This is real. This is... Oh my God. You want to open this one? Oh my God. Oh, we did it. We did it. We did it. We committed the cardinal sin. Oh my God. Look at that. Team Mickey. Woo. Let's show you friends. Look at us. We're all Mickey'd out. And then we've got the vintage one with the cute little Mickey hat. How cute is that? Ouch. What do we do? Oh my God. Hello, Mickey. You've got the Mickey balloon. How cute. Look at these. She's pretty, isn't she? Look at that. Cute. Huh? Look at that. Do you like it? You want it? How cute is that? Careful, the wires are still. Don't cut yourself. Oh, Mickey. I love this doll.
Give for mommy.
careful. Okay, I'll be careful.
Careful, Mom.
Okay, I'm gonna be careful.
Barbie shoes.
Can I kiss mommy? Can I get a kiss? No, mommy. Can mommy get a kiss? Not a doll. Can I get a kiss? No, huh? You don't want to kiss mommy? Oh. You want to get a kiss? Give a kiss to mommy because you've seen the Barbie. Unbelievable. The shade.
Barbie has.
Flaky, aren't we? No, you're being flaky. You don't want to kiss mommy. We're gonna have a problem. No. See, I told you to be careful. Don't let the wires cut you. It's dangerous. Dangerous. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Mm-hmm. Should we open the vintage one? I'm so tempted. I'm so tempted. Oh my god. She is so beautiful, isn't she?